Today, I am going to share with you a very important step in medicated oil preparation. This step I have invented in my personal practice, and you will find this step mentioned nowhere in the text, nowhere in the teaching. I call this step as a first filtration in medicated oil preparation. When the added liquid to your oil preparation evaporates gradually and maximum portion means 75% of the portion is already evaporated, only 25% of portion is remaining in the mixture. You can calculate this percentage of evaporation by putting a measuring stick inside the vessel so that you can understand how much of liquid is evaporated and how much of liquid is remaining. So when 75% of the liquid part, water part is evaporated and only 25% of the part is remaining, you need to stop the heating process and immediately filter the hot mixture through a stainless steel mesh. Once the mixture is filtered through stainless steel mesh, most of the coarse powder, coarse herbal material will be filtered out, will be separated out, and then filter the liquid material through a fine cloth to further get clear liquid out of it. The remaining herbal coarse powder material, you can hang all that material in a cloth so as to separate out the dripping water and get maximum out of it. Now, what is the logic behind this first filtration? First of all, when we filter out the material at this stage, there is still a lot of water in the mixture that prevents the oil getting absorbed into the herbal material. So whatever loss incurs in the oil preparation process due to the absorption of oil into the herbal material is first of all prevented at this stage. Another one, when you filter it through a cloth, since there is a lot of water in the mixture, the water prevents the cloth from absorbing oily material. So loss due to absorption of oil by cloth in the filtration process, that is also absorbed here. Now through this first filtration process, you are getting a mixture of maximum of oil and a small portion of water. Now through this first filtration process, you are going to get a mixture of oil as well as decoction or other aqueous liquid, totally filtered and without any solid coarse powder of herbal material. Believe me, performing this first filtration is going to increase your yield in the process by around 20%. Apart from the increased yield, this first filtration process adds on so many benefits to you. For example, it improves your hold on the manufacturing process and you can clearly demonstrate all the stages of oil preparation and you can perform all the tests of medicated oil preparation one by one very clearly, that is otherwise improperly done, or you can say cannot be done without this first filtration stage.